Ever pondered why a feather floats gently to the ground, while a stone plummets with such definitiveness? The answer, my friends, lies in a simple yet profound equation. F equals sine ma. This is the fundamental law of motion, a cornerstone of physics that governs the way objects move around us. Let's dissect this equation, shall we? It is comprised of three components, F, M, and A. Starting with F, it stands for force. Force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. Imagine you're pushing a stalled car. The effort you're putting in, that's force. It's measured in newtons, named after the genius who formulated this law, Sir Isaac Newton. Moving on to the M, it signifies mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Think of it as the object's weight on a planet with no gravity. It's measured in kilograms. The more mass an object has, the more force it takes to change its motion. That's why it's easier to push a bicycle than a truck. Lastly, we have A, which denotes acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity of an object with respect to time. In simpler terms, it's how quickly an object speeds up, slows down, or changes direction. It's measured in meters per second squared. When you put it all together, the equation F equals sine ma states that the force applied to an object is equal to the mass of the object multiplied by its acceleration. This means that if you apply a force to an object, it will accelerate or change its speed or direction. The greater the mass of the object, the less it will accelerate. Conversely, the less mass an object has, the more it will accelerate. In essence, this equation is telling us that the force we apply on an object will determine how much it accelerates, and this acceleration is inversely proportional to the object's mass. So, to summarize, force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals sine ma. This equation is fundamental to our understanding of how objects move and interact in our universe. Force is the effort you put in to move an object. Mass is the inherent heaviness of the object, and acceleration is how fast the object's velocity changes. This elegant equation, in its simplicity, unravels the complex choreography of motion that we witness in our daily lives. It's the reason why a feather floats and a stone falls with a thud. It's the reason why a small push can set a swing in motion, but the same push can hardly move a car. Understanding F equals sine ma is understanding the basic fabric of motion in our universe. It's a profound insight that helps us make sense of the physical world around us. Remember, every push, every pull, every change in speed or direction is a dance of force, mass, and acceleration. A dance choreographed by the law of motion equals sine ma. A dance that's happening all around us all the time.